yan. Video ba yan?
Record niya.
Pag-itin ko rin, check ko rin.
Oo.
Hello?
Oo.
He himself
Hello?
serves and dispenses.
Today-
In terms of the contract, he is
Today is
aware
January 28.
that the state has
Okay,
handed him to
We're,
some.
we're at home.
Ayan.
Beside me is
Ayan, yung maliliit.
is nanay. Oo. Beside me is nanay. Jay's grandmother. And beside
Bad instant.
his grandmother is Jay's father. His daddy. And beside
Ships
Jay
and tanks and guns and
is
everything
auntie,
he himself serves
ate.
and dispenses. Those are
and
the terms of
beside
the
me
contract he has
is
made.
Jojo, Jay's elder
The
brother.
state has handed him to some.
Today is 5
It was a contract that
in
was
the afternoon.
Ang kinakasama sa Bulacan.
from around the world.
Hindi na ako kayo sa Bulacan.
But its most critical test came earliest, when the serviceman experienced his
We're
first
all fine
terrible
here.
shock of combat.
Okay na yan. Teka, ako
Yan o.
marami akong pinaplansyo.
Halika na. Eto, maliwanag dito. Oh.
Marami akong pinaplansyo.
Ayun yung liwanag kasi, ayun. Ayun yung liwanag, Ayun. Pag ganun dito.
In that instant, blind and personal paralysis, when all thought and feel, and even fear, is frozen, I was reduced to something out of all semblance of a man.